Vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is a total game changer for keeping your system running smooth and avoiding costly repairs down the line. So, here's the scoop on doing it right. First, make sure you pressure test the refrigerant tubing as soon as you connect it. This is super important because if there's a leak, vacuuming will just suck in dirt and moisture from outside, which is bad news. After confirming no leaks, you want to hook up your vacuum pump to pull a deep vacuum on the system. This gets rid of air and moisture that can cause damage or reduce efficiency. Let the vacuum run for at least 30 minutes to make sure everything's out. Next up, check your vacuum gauge to see if it holds steady. If it doesn't, you probably missed a leak. Once the vacuum is perfect, you can go ahead and charge the system with the right amount of refrigerant. Use a scale to measure exactly how much refrigerant you add because too much or too little messes with performance. Lastly, always follow the manufacturer's specs for your mini split model to keep things safe and efficient. One of the biggest mistakes people make with mini split refrigerant charging is skipping that early pressure test and vacuuming anyway. This lets moisture sneak in and wreck the compressor. Fix: always pressure test right after connecting your lines before vacuuming. Another common slip-up is not running the vacuum long enough or failing to watch if the vacuum holds, which leads to trapped air causing poor cooling. The fix here is to be patient and monitor your gauges carefully during vacuuming. Last but not least, charging with too much or too little refrigerant is super common and kills efficiency or can damage your system. Fix by using a refrigerant scale and sticking to the exact amount recommended by your unit's manual. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to buddy for finding trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff with mini splits and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors get solid leads from homeowners who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to connect and get the job done right.